Here's the following problem inside DaVinci Resolve. I have a text here, and if I type in something after that text, this will be pushed to the left. So here in Inspector Video Title, type in something after that, and notice the text went to the left. So how to stop that my text from going to the left and make the new text appear here on the right side? Make that M stay in one place. Here in the Inspector Video Title, we have this anchor. This on the right side and is set to center. So we have the horizontal line and we have the vertical line. Don't use the center vertical, but the left vertical line. Unfortunately, this text will move after I click on this, but I have to adjust it. So click on this. The text moved a little bit to the right. Put it somewhere back there. And now, since this one is used, not that one, the center alignment, if I click in here and type something, then this text will stay in one place and the new text will appear after it. So there is my new text and it's not moving. This my text did not went to the left because I'm not using this anchor but that anchor. And if I delete it, the my text also stays in one place because it is aligned to the left side and not the center.